Welcome to Prime Direction Current Affairs 2023, Episode 2. 16th question. Name the personality who has been recently, in July 23, appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director, CMD, of Coal India Limited, CIL. Options are A. Mukesh Chaudhary, B. Vinay Ranjan, C. PM Prasad, D. Narayan Dash, E. Manoj Kumar Behera. Time starts now. And the answer is C. PM Prasad. Next question. Which organization's Euclid spacecraft was recently, in July 23, launched aboard SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket from Cape Canaveral, Florida, the United States of America, USA? Options are A. European Space Agency, B. Indian Space Research Organization, C. Canadian Space Agency, D. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, E. Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. Time starts now. And the answer is A. European Space Agency. Next question. Name the personality who has recently, in July 23, won the Formula 1 FA 2023 Austrian Grand Prix. Options are A. Max Verstappen, B. Fernando Alonso, C. Sergio Perez, D. Lewis Hamilton, E. Charles Leclerc. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Max Verstappen. Next question. When was International Plastic Bag Free Day 2023 observed across the globe? Options are A. 1st of July 2023, B. 3rd of July 2023, C. 30th of June 2023, D. 2nd of July 2023, E. 29th of June 2023. Time starts now. And the answer is B. 3rd of July 2023. Next question. In July 2023, Dash became the first company in the world to reach a market value of $3 trillion US. Options are A. Microsoft Corporation, B. Twitter, C. Walmart, D. Google LLC, E. Apple Incorporated. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Apple Inc. Next question. In July 2023, National Anti-Doping Agency, NADA, India signed an MoU with South Asia Regional Anti-Doping Organization, SARADO, to increase the regional cooperation in anti-doping in sports. Which of the following countries is not a member of SARADO? Options are A. Sri Lanka, B. Pakistan, C. Bhutan, D. Bangladesh, E. Nepal. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Pakistan. Next question. In July 2023, Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal launched a campaign to transform 75 historic lighthouses across India into tourism spots from Dash city. Options are A. Mumbai, Maharashtra, B. Dwarka, Gujarat, C. Panaji, Goa, D. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, E. Puri, Odisha. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Dwarka, Gujarat. Next question. Name the Union Minister who has recently, in June 23, inaugurated an exhibition banking on World Heritage at Darshanam Gallery of Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts, IGNCA, New Delhi, Delhi. Options are A. Meenakshi Lekhi, Minister of State of Culture. B. Amit Shah, Union Minister of Home Affairs. C. G. Kishan Reddy, Union Minister of Culture. D. Subramanyam Jaishankar, Union Minister of External Affairs. E. Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State of Culture. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Meenakshi Lekhi, Minister of State of Culture. Next question. Which bank has recently, in July 23, introduced the all-new RuPay Select debit card? Options are A. Bank of Baroda. B. Canara Bank. C. Bank of Maharashtra. D. Indian Overseas Bank. E. Bank of India. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Indian Overseas Bank. Next question. Who has been recently, in July 23, named among the 2023 annual list of great immigrants? Options are A. Vivek Ramaswamy. B. Ajay Banga. C. Satyana Nadella. D. Amartya Sen. E. Neeli Bendapuri. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Ajay Banga. Next question. Name the company that has recently, in June 23, accredited with Authorized Economic Operator (AEO) T3 status. Options are A. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. B. GAIL India Limited. C. Steel Authority of India Limited. D. Hindustan Petroleum Limited. E. Bharat Petroleum Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is B. GAIL India Limited. Next question. In July 2023, IDFC Limited merged with IDFC First Bank in a share exchange ratio of 155. Options are A. 130. B. 100. C. 120. D. 140. E. 110. Time starts now. And the answer is B. 100. Next question. Which company, along with Optimus Logics, has recently, in July 23, developed India's first NAV IC-based PNT, positioning, navigation, and timing device, handheld devices? Options are A. Elena Geosystems. B. Antrix Corporation. C. Data Patterns India Limited. D. New Space India Limited. E. Dhruva Space Private Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Elena Geosystems. Next question. In July 2023, Indian football team defeated country football team to win the South Asian Football Federation (SAFF) Banga Bandhu Championship for the 9th time. Options are A. Kuwait. B. Nepal. C. Pakistan. D. Bangladesh. A. Bhutan. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Kuwait. Next question. In which state, the Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, MO PSW, Sarbananda Sonowal has recently, in July 23, laid the foundation stone of Inland Waterways Transport (IWT) terminal? Options are A. Odisha, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat, E. Assam. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Assam.